What's going on? I'm Steve. Hope you're doing fantastic. And I'm going to show you how to play Purple Haze by Jimi Hendrix in under 3 minutes, because if you're taking longer than that, then you're doing something wrong. So we start out here with no capo on the E major chord. But if you really want to play that intro, you sort of hit these two strings right here, the open E and open A. Sounds terrible. Then you add the A string on the 13th fret, like that. You know, so it's really on the A string, but if you hit the E a little bit, just practice that. Like that. Try to emphasize that string more. And then it goes into an E major. Now I'll come back to, it's really pretty cool. And if you learn that, you can take it up to the next level. That's a bit more advanced, but we'll hit that in a second. And really it goes E major, Purple Haze, G, A, E major, G major, A major, and what's cool is if you just add this finger here, or a pinky, take your pinky on the 3rd fret of the E and the B strings, it does that cool. I mean, check out that, that's cool. You can also play it up here like this. That's a bit harder, you gotta do the spider stuff like that. So check this out. So I'm going low to the high right there, or like this. Pinky's better for me because it keeps your hand from cramping. And then you can do a G where you keep those notes, to A, excuse me, you know, so it does that over and over and over again while I kiss the sky, and then it goes like this. Really not that hard. If you do the beginner version, you go like this. That's on the 2nd fret of the D string, and slide it up to the 4th fret, back down there, or you go hammer it on from the 2nd to the 4th on the D string, back there, open D string, 2nd fret of the A string, and then open D and open G. And you go right back into it. Super cool. All right, now in the bridge it goes A, B, D major, E, and then it goes into this F sharp minor, D, like that. But if you do bar chords, you can go. All right, and then it goes right back into, you know, that rockin' part, G, E. All right, very quickly, but running out of time, I'm gonna show you this thing. So you go to the 9th fret of the D string, 7th fret of the G, 8th fret of the B, then 7th fret of the D string, down to the 5th fret of the D string, 5th fret of the A string, and then 7th fret of the A string. And then it goes like this. That is crazy fast. I'm running out of time. I'm probably over time, but don't rage at me in the comments because I gave you that bonus advanced lesson. All right, let me know what you think. Hit like and subscribe on your way out. I'll catch you next time for some more 3-minute lessons, or 4 if I'm a little over. See ya.